some things not for public, yeah. Sacred energy, keep it there. Hush now. Late night candle glow on your skin. Silhouette talk for the touch even begin. Soft whisper carry weight like sin, but we righteous so we move within. Door lock, girl can't interfere. Heartbeat rhythm when you pull me near. No camera, no crowd, no cheer. Just we shoot when the lights disappear. Slow wine, time stretch long. No rush when the vibe that strong. Energy pure, nothing feel wrong. Two souls write one silent song. We keep it private, no spotlight flame. What we share no need no name. Jah Light love, no hype, no fame. Sacred fire, we got that same. Private, yeah we lock that tight. No outside vibes in our night. Private, everything feel right. Hidden love but it burns so bright. Fingertips trace like a secret code. Every move speak what the lips don't show. Breathe slow down when the feeling grow. Ocean wave in a quiet flow. Eyes closed but we still can see. Deeper than the physical energy. Spiritual pull, natural chemistry. No need for proof, just you and me. Soft side, echo sweet. Heartbeat jump to a steady beat. No rush, every moment complete. Sacred ground where our worlds meet. We keep it private, no spotlight flame. What we share no need no name. Jah Light love, no hype, no fame. Sacred fire we got that same. Private, yeah we lock that tight. No outside vibes in our night. Private, everything feel right. Hidden love but it burns so bright. Curtain fall, silent smile, say it all. No post, no chat, no public call. Realest moments are the ones kept small. Respect the bond, protect the space. Not every love I feel show them face. Jah Light walk with a mindful pace. Some blessings grow in a hidden place. Not everything fit the timeline. Some things divine.